Welcome back to CTV Morning Live on your Monday. We are in our Ask the Expert segment with Richard Hollingsworth, personal injury law firm. Give us a call, 789-6559, extension 2803, or send us a message via our Facebook page, email, Twitter. We're looking to take your questions. And I know Eli from Ottawa has done just that this morning. He's made the call. Good morning to you, Eli.
Good morning. How are you?
We're great. What is your question?
I was actually just wondering, I was hearing Ms. Hollingsworth ask or state some things regarding the accident benefits. Doesn't Fiscal offer a $3,500 type of accident benefits regardless if you have insurance or not? So that if you do get injured and someone drives off, you do have the opportunity to go to physio through accident benefits and they can cover $3,500. Is that not correct?
There is a fund for people who don't have access to insurance. So there's a government funded fund. It isn't only $3,500. If you have a minor injury, then it's $3,500. If you have a catastrophic injury, then you get all of the benefits that have to do with catastrophic. But there is an obligation to prove that it was a motor vehicle accident, and so if that is the place of last resort, but you have to prove that you were hit by a car and didn't go over your handlebars or fall in a pothole. So it is always better to get the car driver's information. It's way easier. There will be delays if you have to go through the pot of last resort.
What was this fund? What was this called?
Well, he was calling it the FISCO Fund, which stands for the Financial Services Commission of Ontario. There's lots of names for it, but that's one name for it. The Motor Vehicle Accident Claims Fund is another name, and back. So there's lots of acronyms. If you're in this situation, the best thing to do is contact a personal injury lawyer, because we all know how to access that. One thing that you have to do is file it somewhere. So how do you do that? Just call a personal injury lawyer in Ottawa. Will help you do that.
Okay, some interesting information there. I want to grab your attention and bring it to the website, because as I was mentioning before the break, there is a handbook, Spinning Out of Control, and the Ottawa Bicycle Accident Info Sheet. So these are two things that you can download off of your website.
Yes, we offer this information free to the public. We wrote the book Spinning Out of Control. It's tailored to Ottawa, actually, so it's got some of the rules and speed limits on bike paths, that type of information. So, no obligation. People can go to personalinjuryottawa.ca and order it and get it immediately. And even, we tell people to, have their children read it even, because obviously safety applies to them as well. And we want them to know the rules and what to do if there's a problem or an accident. And there's also a bike accident kit as well that's on the website.
Is this similar to what we have in our glove compartment now when it's a
same concept?
Yes. Yeah, it's very similar. It's a one page, like 10 steps if you're in a car bike accident, what to do, what not to do. The worksheet in particular, great for kids. And actually, the Spinning Out of Control has a really good chapter on teaching your kids how to be safe. So it's partly what to do after a bike accident, and partly kind of the rules of the road and how to be a safe cyclist, in particular in the National Capital Area. Because we do have some weird laws, because we have NCC paths and that kind of thing.
There's a lot of ways for this. There's a lot of means of transportation for these cyclists, the pathways, and I want to talk about some of the road safety as well coming up in our next segment. So once again, if you have a question like Eli did, give us a call, 789-6559, extension 2803. We're going to be taking your questions right after the commercial break.